Hey guys, today I'm taking you along to try two must-try Vietnamese street foods that I absolutely love. Bánh xèo, sizzling pancakes, and grilled dried squid. Let's start with bánh xèo. The sizzling sound when the batter hits the hot pan is already enough to make you hungry. The pancake is crispy, golden, and filled with shrimp, pork, and bean sprouts. You eat it with fresh herbs, lettuce, and most importantly, the sweet and tangy fish sauce. That dipping sauce is a game changer. You wrap a piece of the pancake in lettuce with some herbs, dip it in the sauce, and take a big bite. It's crispy, flavorful, a little fatty, just chef's kiss. One piece is never enough. Now moving on to grilled dried squid. Sounds simple, but it's dangerously addictive. They take the dried squid, grill it over hot charcoal until it's smoky and fragrant, then gently pound it to make it soft and chewy. You tear it into strips and dip it in spicy chili sauce. That combo of sweet, smoky squid and spicy sauce is just next level good. It's the perfect snack to share with friends while chatting, especially on a breezy evening. Honestly, if you're a street food lover, this combo of bánh xèo and grilled dried squid is a must. Whenever I see a stall selling them, I don't even think, I just stop and order. Totally worth it every time.